It was the third week of October. The scorching Arizona summer heat had begun to wane, and there was a cool breeze that came with each evening. Despite living here my whole life, I had never taken the time to venture to the northern part of the state at this beautiful time of year to enjoy the autumn leaves as they changed hue and fell from their branches for the winter. After driving through the streets of Northern Arizona University, we headed up Highway 180, then took the Snowbowl turnoff past the beautiful Aspen Corner. It was heartwarming to see families walking through the falling bright yellow leaves, taking pictures to remember their time here. We took a few minutes to ride the gondola at Snowbowl up to the summit, and as we ascended, the yellow leaves became sparse on the trees, and after a little more elevation gain, the raindrops turned to snow, as if to put the forest on notice that winter would soon arrive. We drove a little further south and turned off Highway 89A in the Oak Creek Canyon area near Sedona to see what colors that area would offer, and we found plenty. Much of this area has experienced a wildfire in recent memory, and despite these events feeling tragic, it's uplifting to see new growth mixed in with the charred trees as the forest heals. The shade, provided by the pines, may be gone, but this provides additional light for the quick-growing aspens to establish themselves, starting the recovery. virtually unhikeable Pumphouse Wash to the steep walls of Sterling Canyon, the quaking yellow aspens and beautiful red oaks showed their vivid colors that are only seen during this brief time of year. It was a privilege to witness dramatic and colorful ridges surrounding the West Fork of Oak Creek. 2 weeks later, we returned to the area to find that the leaves had mostly fallen. I felt grateful that we had visited when we did, and next year we'll be back to do this again.